day.
Nakakainis
Sorry
ka.
for the long day. I know it's been a long day.
Asan yung kids?
Huh? They're here. So, Proverbs 18:22 says that he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. I believe God brought us together as a token of his love for us. I'm truly blessed to call you my best friend, my lover, and my biggest supporter. So I hope that you feel the same way towards me. I want to continue to build a Christ-centered relationship in which I will lead and serve you with the best of my abilities. Your genuine, loving, compassionate heart are the crown of your beauty. You and the kids are my home, and I can't imagine life without y'all. With that being said, I brought all of our friends, family, loved ones here today to bear witness and ask you one thing. Zainab Haraka, would you make me the happiest man in the world? Will you marry me?
Yes.
It came a long way, just like a song, babe. After a long day, sitting inside you, I don't have to try and be some other person. Everything was wrong, and then you came along.
I love you and the kids.
I love you. I love you so much. Andun yung mga bata.
Yes, of course.
I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. That I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Mommy, you got the married mom.
Yes, to daddy. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Said yes, so that's a good
Parang maimatay ako. Wait lang.
Thank you so much, everybody, for being here, for helping. Said yes, so that's a good
Una pa lang mahal, yes na. Bakit? I love you so much. Totoo ba to? Totoo ba to?
You're drone!
Yes.
Paano? Sa bahay sila.
GPS. Lahat ka kung tsaba, mahal ko.
Papa!
Family picture.
Aiyak na naman ako, kakapunas ko lang. I love you. Pumayag ka.
I wish you all the best.
I love you.
Hey, you are taking the best pair you have in the family. Take care of this jewelry.
Definitely. Thank you so much for your blessings.
Grabe, wait lang. Pwede 5 minutes bago patingin. Oh my God! Maganda ba ako tayo? Congrats, Pop. Ate, mga ate ko.
If you let me try again, yeah, just give.
Happy? Mommy said yes? Yes!
I love you, Kuya.
Sino nag-decide ng damit nyo? Si Daddy. Daddy.
What?
Daddy, kakainis ka. Sobra.
So, bakit naalala mo nag-selfie ako sa kotse, di ba?
Oo.
Photo yun ng ex-girlfriend ko.
Ex-girlfriend mo.
Fiancé na kita.
Ay, yes! Yes! Mamaya mag-update ako sa service ko kasi may bago na akong ano. First time mag-update as engaged person. Uy! Uy!
Basta ang dami kong gustong sabihin sa'yo na hindi ko na talaga masabi. Kaya,
Bakit?
wala lang. Kasi syempre, ang dami nga ako tinatago. Kaya tanong mo ko parati, may tinatago ko. Yes, hirap magtago sa'yo. Anybody na nagtatanong sa akin, kamusta? Kinakabahan ka? Hindi, anxious ako. Gusto ko na matapos. Pero gusto ko matapos dahil ayoko na magtago. Careful
Careful lang, princess! Wow! Yay! Are you guys happy? Yay! Guys happy?
Kamusta ka na, kuya?
This is my dream.
Is your dream? Way to keep a secret, kuya.
This is your dream, guys?
Way to keep a secret.
Daddy gave me a ring. You gave me a flower.
Via for you.
Oh, thank you, Kuya. Yay! Oh, are you going to give to mommy? Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, Chavis, I'm engaged. Unang update bago mag-asawa. Isa lang ang sasabi ko. Actually, ako nahihiya pa ako, pero masasanay din to.
Grabe ka na ba?
Ang ganda ng sing-sing mo.
Soon to be Kaliwa mong kamay ngayon. Oh my God! Soon to be Mrs. Sparks! Sabi niyo maghihiwalay ako. Ngayon, ex ko siya. Pero soon to be Mr.
Means a lot.
Take care of
Thank you for your blessing talaga.
spell. That's only what I have. That's it. I'm telling you. You know, when the first time I saw you, I know you are the right man. I know you are a man of principle, with honor, with moral, with dignity, with everything. Not like some other idiots. I don't want to mention names or whatever. You deserve to be happy. She deserves to be happy. She suffer a lot. Maybe you've been suffer a lot, but you don't say. You are kind of person, you don't say what's your pain. But anyway, I'm here. I've had lots of antibiotic for you, son.
Thank you, Tito. Like I said last night, support her the best of my ability.
Well,
I will
it's,
protect
you know,
her and the kids.
before I have 5 kids, now I have 6 kids. You are number 6. That's the only one I said.
Last na.
Mahalang ganda. Ang sing-sing to. Parang pinakasalan mo na ako agad
Siyempre, pagkita natin yung wedding.
Grabe yung sing-sing. As in. Makakabili ata ako ng Uy! Uy! Nakapili din ng maayos. I love you so much. So much, Daddy.
Love you.
Mapapakasalan pa pala tong ganda ko. Thank you, mahal. I love you.
I love you so much.
May couple ring kami.
Dito.
Si Trust God. So lahat ng ring na nakikita niyo yung couple sa amin, may black kami nito, may silver, may gold. So ngayon naka-gold kami.
Yeah, perfect.
And
But that's platinum.
Aww.
Alam mo ba, hindi ka mahilig sa mga bulaklak, pero this is a special occasion.
I said yes. Always and forever. Huwag mo kaming sasaktan, ha?
Yan na yung pagbabanta.
Hindi
bumalik
ako
na.
nagbabanta. Nagre-remind lang ako, especially the kids.
Oo naman.
Ayun,
That is a witness naman.
talaga, alam nyo guys, ako sa totoo lang ako, alam mo naman din yan. Hindi ako naniniwala sa kasal na tao dahil na din sa mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay. Pero nung dumating si Ray, sa buhay ko, doon ko na, yung sarili ko na magsasettle ako sa taong to. Kasi nakikita ko sa kanya yung future na alam ko maiintindihan niya ako kahit sa pinakamahirap na sitwasyon pa ng buhay natin. So, sumugal ako. Sumugal ako ngayon with our lives talaga. Buhay namin 3 ng bata. Binibigay ko sa'yo kasi naniniwala ako sa Diyos, sa'yo. And you deserve it, Daddy. Deserve mo ang yes.
God's provision naman talaga.
Una pa lang alam ko na, nung talagang nahulog ako sa kanya, nung nakikita kita kung paano, nag-1 taon tayo mag-boyfriend, girlfriend, hindi nagbago. Lalo mong ginalingan yung pagpupursu sa amin ng mga bata. So,
and I won't stop.
yes. I love you, mahal, so much. Nakapag-update ka na, nag-update ka na sa Sebis?
What up, Sebi? So, for today's video, may fiancé na ako. Vlog takeover na. Well, yan. So, she said yes, which is sobrang thankful ako kay God and thankful sa lahat ng tao na nandito. I mean, it's just a testament to just God's love story sa buhay namin. So, continue to trust God and He will lead our way. Well, He is the foundation and we live for His purpose talaga. So, kung nasabi ko sa speech ko, I want to continue to build a Christ-like relationship, Christ-centered relationship, as a matter of fact, where I can lead and serve you and the kids with the best of my ability.
Yes, I love you. To be loved like this.
In-order ko yung ring around February and ayun, doon nagsimula yung process. Yeah, certain people knew about the idea of the proposal during Bia's birthday. So, I was very thankful na they kept it a secret kasi the ring was in the process pa lang nun. So, may mga pictures, ayun. Actually, dapat may film din na in-order ko yung ring. Sa La Union pa lang meron akong pic. May idea na ako kung ano yung gusto ko ibigay sa'yo. Yung birthday ko. But yeah, tumulong sa preparation talaga is si Ru. Grabe, sobrang shoutout Ru for really being a big part of this and hiding the secret from your own sister. But everybody played an intricate part, to be honest. Tonyo, Amsha, Ru, Team Sebi was in on this.
Nyo na ako,
Yeah, was in on this.
Ganyan na.
Yeah, so ang hirap naman kasi talaga magtago sa'yo, mahal. So, it took a team effort to get to this point of being here na, ayun, everybody did their best job and ako, for me, I'm just thankful kasi may idea ka na gusto ko mag-propose this summer pag-uwi ko galing Japan.
Lagi niya kasi sinasabi, antayin niyo this summer. So may idea ako na magpo-propose siya pero hindi ko lang alam na today na yon. Kaya nga, ewan ko sa'yo, Daddy.
Tinanong din naman natin yung astro mo. So,
may blessing ng Stars at Universe.
Stars at Universe.
At saka ang pinaka-importanting blessing na meron tayo si God.
Yes, indeed. Yes,
Kasi
indeed.
yun talaga yung pinapahalagahan mo, especially when it comes sa pagsasama natin. Gusto mo maligal lahat
Yes.
sa paningin niya.
Yeah, gusto ko naman talaga i-honor kayo ng mga bata. So, leading up to this point, actually, na-iron out lahat ng plans. Probably, nag-shoot tayo for yung fun shoot.
Bakit?
Doon na na-iron out lahat. Parang yung flow and everything. Yeah.
Recent lang yan So para talagang proposal, parang prenup photoshoot pala yung nangyayari.
Actually.
Kaya pala pinipilit niya ako mag-black today. Mag-go for the black. I go for the black.
Ngayon lang naman ako naging handsome sa suot mo or how you wear your hair.
Ko, gusto niya nakapusod ako kasi guys, nung unang na-meet niya ako, nakapusod po yung buhok ko. Kaya kapag nakapusod yung buhok ko, lagi siya nagtatanong, sino mga kasama? Natitihin siya baka daw kasi may magkagusto sa akin dahil bet na bet niya kasi yung look ko lagi pag naka-up yung hair ko. So siya po nagdesisyon lahat. Siyempre masaya ako. Number 1, masaya ako. Kasi hindi ko naman in-expect na after lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay, may lalaki pa palang handang saluhin ako, baguhin ako. Especially yung mga paniniwala ko before, hindi naman sa kung paano ako mag-isip ngayon. So, lahat talaga ng blessing, especially sa peace of mind na gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko, is dala niya. Sabi ko nga, love is giving, unselfish, sabi mo. Masaya ako, sobrang saya ko. Pero, syempre, lahat gagawin ko din for him. Kaya talagang oo ako, mahal. Kahit di mo ako tanungin, oo ako. Anong na-feel mo kanina nung sumagot na ako ng yes?
Parang, yung blessing lang talaga pati yung grace ni God. Kinilig ako. Hindi, kasi ito, honestly, first time lang kita makitang umiyak na sin talagang vulnerable and with joy.
With ginig.
Oo,
ginig
with joy.
na saya.
Yeah, so, na-overwhelmed din ako and I was really thankful na marinig yung matamis mong oo.
Yes. 2 beses na kita sinagot.
The first time I met her, how she carried herself, she definitely was a keeper. And the more I got to know her, ayun, mabilis ako na-in-love actually.
Tingin ko after ng kasal, bubuntisin na ako. Hindi! Totoo nga! Kasi ako naman nakita ko naman siya eh. Hands-on daddy naman siya eh. And nakikita ko na magiging great daddy siya sa mga bata in the future. Kaya hindi ko hihindian yon. So yan, Sebis. Dito ko na tinatapos yung vlog. As soon to be Mrs. Sparks. Diba? Hindi nyo kaya. Nakabusod ako pero yung buhok ko abot hanggang EDSA. So ayan, thank you, mahal. Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifice mo para buuin to. Thank you sa lahat ng taong bumuo ng pinaka-special na event sa buhay natin. And more to go. And wala ako ibang i-wish kundi i-bless tayo lagi ni God.
Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome?
Unang mag-aarat ako ng may ring.
Ano, kaliwa gagamitin mo?
Sabi natin, arat na!
Alam, bigat to ka, man!